I'm so excited to be doing this video because I've been following Camila since, oh my god, she's been my favorite blogger since forever. I follow her on Instagram before she even had 100,000 followers, and now she has like 8 million. And then I have been following her YouTube channel even before she started her English channel because I speak Spanish and Portuguese is kind of similar to it. So I remember like I would watch her videos and I would like listen so that I can understand what she was saying, and I can understand a lot of it. So I'm so excited. I feel like I'm leaving this dream with her. I have met her 2 times and she's so super sweet. And I bought some items from her collection from Revolve, and they're coming in 2 packages, but I couldn't wait, and I got the first package right now, and I'm like, I'm just gonna sit down and do a video because I wanted to open them so bad. But I said I was gonna do a video and opening it and like a first impression, and I'm so excited. I've been following the stories on the brand and on her Instagram, and I feel like I'm there. Like I feel like I'm actually leaving that moment. So let's get started. So this is the box right here. I got, I don't know how many items, but I got quite a few from the collection. And let's open it. And my voice is so raspy. It's weird because I don't feel like I have a cold or like I feel fine. I don't have body aches or anything, but my throat has been killing me, and I'm talking like a man, so sorry. I'm so excited. Let's see what we got. I couldn't wait. Like the minute she announced that she was gonna launch her own label, I couldn't wait to like feel the textures, to see her style, because I identify with her so much. And I felt like it was gonna be like girly and chic and like so obviously super fashion and trendy and all of that. And when I saw all the designs, I'm like, this is amazing. And the fact that it was inspired in her home country, it's like, it was brilliant. It's so cool. So let's see. Let's get started. So the first item is the very first dress that she wore in one of her videos announcing that she was gonna do this, her own brand. So let's see. Oh, her tag, it's so cute. Like, Camila Coelho. And then at Camila Coelho. And it has extra buttons right here. This is pretty cool. And let's see. Oh, this dress is so, it has shoulder pads. I love shoulder pads. I know that there was a celebrity, I don't remember who said, oh, they asked her like, what's a trend that you don't want to ever come back? And she was like, shoulder pads. And I'm like, what? I love shoulder pads. Shoulder pads are so cool. So it has buttons over here, and I can't wait to try this. Should do a try on haul too. I think that'll be really fun. This looks a little small, so I hope it fits. Okay, so that's the first item right there. So the second item is, what is this? Oh, the little pink with the heart, with the red hearts. This is so cute. I think that was like one of my favorite ones because I'm such a girly girl. But oh yay! I love these. These are so cute. Some high-waisted shorts. They're pink with heart. I feel like if I were ever to have a brand, which is a huge big dream, like pink and red would definitely have to be in my collection, and maybe it'll be like a Valentine's Day kind of, I don't know. This is so cute. Now I regret not getting the top to this because it came with a top, but now I didn't get it. But this is adorable. Love. And I actually really like this material. So, and it's double lined. And has pockets. Okay, next. This print was like one of my favorites. Because it's like animal print, but not too wild. And like, it has a little bit of pink in it. And I'm like, I die for it. So, this is a top. Let's see. Oh, the quality on this feels so nice. Oh, how cute. This is a top, long sleeve, crop top, and it's double line as well. I love the quality on this. Very, very, very nice. I'm like living this moment. I am living this moment. Okay, next we have the polka dot top that I've been seeing everyone wearing it, and I was dying to try it out. Oh, I'm like holding it right here. I've seen everyone wearing this, and I've been dying to try it out. I love the sleeves, how fluffy they are, and this one is a little bit more kind of see-through. Not see-through, but a little bit sheer. That's the word. Sheared material. Ooh, I like this. Okay, so next I got, instead of getting the pink top with the little red hearts, I got a red top that I really like, and that I was, thinking about matching it with that. So where is it? Oh, so it's crisscross in the back, and then you basically tie the front, and it's like a waterfall in the front. How adorable that is. Okay, I'm definitely going to be doing a try on haul, because like showing you the pieces like that doesn't do it justice. So what else we got? Oh, this white top. Oh my god, I saw this white top with denim, and in one of the videos that she was teasing, and I'm like, oh, I need that top. So cute. I love like tops that have kind of like a train, or like a long like a, not a train, but like a long, like these type of tops like that. But this one, I'll show you. Awesome. Oh, I love the material on this one. Yeah, this material is so nice. I love this top. How cute. And then it has like a little, like this. That's what I meant. How awesome. I cannot wait. I have the perfect denim that I'm going to wear for this. And I'm definitely going to be doing a blog post with this. How cute. Favorite. So far, material-wise and how they feel, this one's a favorite, and the little shorts are a favorite. And I haven't even tried it on. And I got the pants. Yes, hello. Right. Oh no, this is a dress. Oh, this is a dress. Oh, yay. I didn't get the pants. Yeah, I put them in my car and then I took them out because, yeah. Ooh. Oh, it's a romper. How cute. Oh, I love this. It's a cute little romper. Oh, cannot wait to wear that. And then this print. I was like, I need to get something in this print. This print is so amazing. It's like so Brazil. I can't wait to go to Brazil. It's one of my dream destinations. else in that box. And this is a little dress, a mini dress. How cute is this? How cute! I cannot wait. Okay, so that is all the pieces that I got from her collection so far. I have another package that's coming, but I probably won't do a video on that. I'll probably do just outfit posts on them. And I'm gonna go ahead and record the video for the try on haul. This one's probably gonna be too long to upload in the same one, so and that's it. So I'm so excited to try all the pieces on. Thank you for watching this video and unboxing this box with me, and I'll see you in my next one.